Good morning students. In this class we will learn operation on matrices. So first one is addition and subtraction of matrices, and then second one is a multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. The next addition and subtraction of matrices rule. If the given matrices have same order, means go to the next step, two matrices, add or subtract the corresponding elements. The next multiplication of matrix by a scalar. We can apply a given matrix of A by any non-zero number k. To obtain a new matrix Ka is called a scalar multiplication of A. For example, say 8A minus 3B. Say A and B are two matrices are given. First check the order of the matrix, and then 8 means is a scalar non-zero number, is a scalar matrix. 8 into given matrix of A minus 3 into given matrix of B only. Example 3.57. If A equal to within bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, close the bracket. B equal to 170, 131, 240, close the bracket. Find A plus B and A minus B. First of all, check the order of the matrix. So 3 rows and then 3 columns are given. So first A matrix, order of the matrix A equal to 3 by 3, and then order of the matrix B also 3 rows and then 3 columns are given. So the order of the matrix are equal for both the matrix elements. So first find out A plus B. So first question, say A matrix elements. So 1, 2, 3, second row 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus next B matrix elements. First row 170, second row 1, 3, 1, third row 2, 4, 0. If the given matrix is a addition of matrix only given, means if you directly add the corresponding elements, so 1 and then that one, so B matrix corresponding elements is a 1. Suppose if we directly add that answers 1 plus 1 equal to 2, and then second one corresponding element 2 plus corresponding element 7, 2 plus 7 equal to 9, then 3 plus 0 equal to 3, and then second row first element 4 plus 1 equal to 5, then 5 plus 3 equal to 8, 6 plus 1 equal to 7, then third row first element 7 plus 2 9, and then 8 plus 4 is a 12, 9 plus 0 equal to 9, is a plus B. The next one is A minus B. So A matrix minus B matrix 1, 2, 3, second row 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus B matrix elements 170, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 0. So bracket outside is a minus symbol given, means you apply the additive inverse of given bracket elements. So additive inverse means positive change into negative, negative change into positive. The middle one apply the plus symbol only. You apply the additive inverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Apply the additive inverse, middle one change the sign plus. Apply the sign, plus change into minus 1, this one minus 7, 0, next row minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, 0, close the bracket. You directly find out the answer. So first row and then first one corresponding element 1 minus 1 equal to 0, then 2 minus 7, so 7 only big number, 7 minus 2 is a 5, that big number sign is a minus 5, then 3 plus 0 equal to answer 3, then second row 4 minus 1 equal to 3, 5 minus 3 equal to 2, 6 minus 1 equal to 5, then third row 7 minus 2 equal to 5, then 8 minus 4 equal to 4, then 9 plus 0 equal to 9. Okay, next one, example 3.59. If A equal to 1, 3 minus 2, second row 5 minus 4, 6, minus 3, 2, 9 and B equal to first row 1, 3, 3, 4, 9, 6. Find A plus B. You check the answer. First you check the order of the matrix. First one is A matrix, is order of the matrix. So 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, 3 rows and then 3 columns are given. So order of the matrix is 3 by 3. Then B matrix is the first row. So B is the order of the matrix. Is 1, 2, 3, 3 rows and then 2 columns are given. So order is 3 by 2. First of all check the order of the matrix. Both the matrices are different order of the matrix only given. So find A plus B means it is not possible because, what is the reason? It's because they have different orders. Next one, exercise 3.17. This is second question. If A equal to 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 8, 1, 0, minus 4 and B equal to 2, 3, 4, 1, 9, 2, minus 7, 1, minus 1 and C equal to 8, 3, 4, 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 4, minus 1. Then verify that A plus within bracket B plus C equal to within bracket A plus B and close the bracket plus C. Then verify the answer. So LHS side and then RHS side to prove that the answer. First of all find out the LHS side. So LHS side, first you prove that within bracket elements only. First find out B plus C equal to B matrix elements 2, 3, 4, 1, 9, 2, minus 7, 1, minus 1 plus C matrix element 8, 3, 4, 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 4, minus 1. So both the matrix also, order of the matrix is the same one only. 3 rows and then 3 columns. This also 3 rows and then 3 columns. So middle one is a plus symbol only given. So directly add the corresponding elements. So first one is a corresponding elements 2 plus 8 equal to 10. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 4, 8. Then second row 1 plus 1, 2. 9 minus 2, 7, 2 plus 3, 5, then third row minus 7 plus 2, so 7 only big number, so 7 minus 2 is a 5, big number sign is a minus, 1 plus 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, same sign given means add the term and sign is a same sign only, so minus 1, so minus 2. The next one, A plus within bracket B plus C. So A matrix element first write 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 8, 1, 0, minus 4 plus B plus C already find out that matrix elements only write 10, 6, 8, 2, 7, 5, minus 5, 5, minus 2. So add the corresponding elements. So directly add the term 4 plus 10, 14, 3 plus 6, 9, 1 plus 8, 9, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 7, 10, minus 8 plus 5 is 8 only big number, is a 3, big number sign is a minus, 1 minus 5 is a 5 only big number, so apply the big number sign minus 4, 0 plus 5, 5, minus 4 minus 2 is equal to add the term minus 6. So that one is the first one LHS side answer. RHS side within bracket A plus B, close the bracket plus C. So first of all write the A plus within bracket element A plus B, write down the elements 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 8, 1, 0, minus 4 plus B matrix elements 2, 3, 4, 1, 9, 2, minus 7, 1, minus 1. So directly add the corresponding elements 4 plus 2, 6, 3 plus 3, 6, 1 plus 4, 5. Then second row 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 9, 12, minus 8 plus 2 is a big number sign, is a 8 only big number, 8 minus 2 is a 6 and then big number sign is a minus only. 1 minus 7, 7 only big number, so 7 minus 1 is a 6, big number sign is a minus. 0 plus 1, 1, minus 4, minus 1, same sign only given, add the term, minus 5. The next one, find out a plus b plus c. So already find out the a plus b, that matrix elements only, right? 6, 6, 5, 3, 12, minus 6, minus 6, 1, minus 5, plus C matrix elements. First row 8, 3, 4. Then second row 1, minus 2, 3. And then third row 2, 4, minus 1. So this also directly add the term. 6 plus 8, 14. 6 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. Then second row 3 plus 1, 4. 12 minus 2 is a 10. Minus 6 plus 3 is a minus 3. Minus 6 plus 2 is a minus 4. 1 plus 4 is a 5. Minus 5 minus 1 equal to minus 6. This one is a right hand side answer. You see the LHS and then RHS. Then LHS and then RHS. 14, 9, 9. 4, 10, minus 3. Third row minus 4, 5, minus 6. So LHS equal to RHS. So it is verified. Students, today homework exercise 3.17. So first question, if A equal to within bracket 1934 8 minus 3 close the bracket, B equal to 573310 close the bracket, then verify that first one A plus B equal to B plus A. Then second question, A plus within bracket minus A equal to within bracket minus A close the bracket plus A equal to 0. Okay, thank you.